Teka lang po ah. Wow. Ito yung pinagbentahan niya po ng bakal. Oo na. Yan yung katas ng bakal. Wow, Ru. Open it, open it. Fast. Wow. Thank you. Wow, ang laki pala. Aba, 2. Wow.
Wow, ang cute. Super cute.
Who ordered that, Ru?
Roro.
Who?
Pipito.
No, who ordered it? Mami. Si Pipito talaga naman anda.
Kuya Pipito is the one nag-deliver.
Look.
Wow.